Cat! I wonder where he is.
Peg?
I can hear him,
Peg?
but I can't see him. Did Cat turn invisible? Let's find out right after this message thingy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Peg plus cat. Peg plus cat. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, come on, let's go. 4, 5, 6. Hey, what do you know? 7, 8, 9. Oh, what comes next?
10?
You're the best. We are two. Na 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 na. Me plus you. Na 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 na. We're Peg plus
Cat!
Peg plus
Cat!
Peg plus Peg plus cat.
The tree problem. Trees have problems too? Oh, brother.
Okay, so my friends the Giants left me a really enormous present. Usually when I get a present, I shake it and try to figure out what's inside. But this present is so enormous, I can't even come close to shaking it. See? I really want to open my huge, enormous present, but something's missing. Opening a present just isn't fun without a certain bluish, purplish, furry, squishy someone. Cat! I wonder where he is.
Peg?
I can hear him,
Peg?
but I can't see him. Did Cat turn invisible? Where are you, Cat?
I don't know.
Uh-oh, no one knows where Cat is, and that's a big problem. I hear Cat, so he has to be near. Cat's not behind me, and he's not next to me either. He's not on this side or this side. Cat's not underneath me. Oh, Caterpillar, what do I do? Cat's vanished.
And how does that make you feel?
Ouch!
I'm sorry it hurts.
No, this acorn just fell on me from above. Above? Is Cat above me? He is! You amazing cat! You dropped the acorn on me on purpose.
I did? I did.
All right, we found Cat, and so... problem solved.
The problem is solved. We solved the problem. Problem solved.
Hey, Cat, how'd you get up in that tree anyway?
A tree? Is that where I am? Well, that explains a lot.
Cat really should pay more attention to what he's doing. Don't you worry, Cat. I'll get you down from that tree in no time. To get Cat down, I need to jump really high. Look out! Here comes my high jump. Ugh.
Little higher.
Okay, here comes an even higher jump. Ugh.
Even higher.
Okay, here comes my very highest jump. Ugh.
Almost.
Uh-oh! Even with my remarkable jumping skills, I still can't reach Cat. Cat is totally stuck up in that tree. We've got a really big problem.
Cat stuck in a tree. I've heard stories, but I never thought it would happen to me.
And how does that make you feel?
Not now, Caterpillar. Don't worry, Cat. I'm gonna figure out some way to get you down from there. Just stay calm and keep yourself busy by, counting things.
Oh, I can do that. I'll count how many tails I have. 1. Oh, boy.
I bet one of the neighbor ladies has a ladder I can borrow. Excuse me, neighbor ladies. I need to borrow something really important.
Hello there, Peg! Come in, come in! Come in! I was just saying, you know who would look adorable in this pink dress with the unicorns and rainbow puppies? Little Peggy.
Actually, what I need is
A sparkling tiara. It's so becoming on a little lady.
No, I need a
fishing red bow. Adorable!
I need a ladder! Please?
A ladder? Why, yes, I've got one, but I can't reach it with all of this clutter in the way. Peg, would you mind stacking these things for me, please?
Okay, there's one box, one ball, and 1, 2, 3 cans of paint. We need to figure out a way to stack them up so they don't fall over. Let's see. Put the ball on the box, stack the cans on the ground. Put the box on the cans.
Now it's shaking all around.
No, it's never good when your pile starts to sway. No, that plan didn't work, but there's gotta be another way. Put the cans on the box,
looking good so far.
Put the ball in the cans,
And they stay right where they are.
and the plan that worked.
You don't need another way.
We found a plan that worked. Yeah, we got the pile to stay.
Lovely job, Peg.
Thanks. So about that ladder.
I had this ladder since I was a little girl.
I can tell. Thanks for the ladder. Okay, Cat, I'm back.
Oh, good, because I ran out of things to count. Oh, you'll never guess how many ears I have.
2?
Whoa.
Look, I got us a ladder.
You're not gonna stand on that thing, are you?
I'm sure it's sturdy. Sturdy-ish. Wow.
Careful, Peg. Whew.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Now I have no idea how I'm gonna get Cat out of the tree. I really miss my pal. He's always here beside me, sharing a laugh,
Or a piece of pie.
keeping me calm, and giving me great ideas.
Without even trying.
But now he's really stuck, and I don't know how to get him down. Cat, what would you do if you were down here?
I'd probably walk around until I bumped into something.
I guess it's worth a shot. It worked! Cat, you're brilliant!
Me?
This enormous present. Maybe there's something inside we could use to get you down from that tree.
Ooh! Open it, open it, open it!
Check it out. A huge coloring book. And a really long kaleidoscope.
Cool.
A coloring book and a kaleidoscope. Cat, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
No.
If I stack these things up in just the right way, I could get you down from there.
Oh.
Let's see. I can put the kaleidoscope this way. Whoa! If that doesn't help, I can also put the kaleidoscope this way. It's too big to climb, but it's perfect for sliding down. If we could get the kaleidoscope up to Cat, he could slide down from the tree. We just need to figure out how to get it up to him. We could put the kaleidoscope on top of the book like this, but it's not high enough. Or we could put it like this, but it doesn't stay balanced. Cat, I need another idea.
Try bumping into the box again.
The box! That's it! If I put the kaleidoscope above the box, Cat could slide down from the tree. I really don't know how he comes up with these things.
Hey, Peg.
Oh, hi, Ramon. What are you up to?
Actually, it's my day off. I'm just hanging out. So, where's Cat?
Hi, Ramon!
Yikes.
Yeah, it's kind of a big problem. Hey, do you think you could help me move this enormous box and put that long kaleidoscope on top of it?
Sure. To get the kaleidoscope up there, you're gonna have to sit on my shoulders.
Well, anything for Cat.
Right.
Steady. Here it comes.
High, higher, highest! There! Okay, Cat, everything's ready. You can slide down the kaleidoscope.
Here goes nothing!
Woohoo!
Now what?
Oh no! After all that, Cat's still not down. He'll never get back to the ground. I'll never have my best friend down here with me ever again. It will be Peg plus nobody. I am totally freaking out.
Don't worry, Peg. Cat can jump into my arms. Come on, Cat. I got you.
I don't know about that, Ramon.
Or Cat could slide down on the coloring book.
Now there's an idea.
Good thinking, Peg.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, here I come! Oh, sweet, sweet ground.
Glad to have you back, Cat.
Thanks for all your help, Ramon.
I do what I can.
Now come here, you adorable cat. Because we arranged those objects by stacking them high enough, Cat could get down from the tree.
Yeah, math really saved my existence.
And now that Cat's safe and sound down on the ground, problem solved.
The problem is solved. We solved the problem.
So everything is awesome.
Problem solved. Peg, thanks for helping me down from the tree.
No problem, Cat. You can always count on me.
Always?
Uh-huh. If you're visiting the zoo and an elephant sits on you, don't you stay smushed under his tush. Give me a call and I'll give him a push. You can count on me. You can count on me. Being trapped under some thumb is quite a conundrum, but I will get you free. Yes, you can count on me.
going for a sail, and I'm swallowed by a whale.
No need to be frazzled or phonics. Leave it to me. I'll get you out of his stomach. You can count on me. You can count on me. If you just request it, I can get you uningested.
And we'll sail merrily.
You can count on me. No matter the problems, the two of us could solve them.
When you're in trouble, I'll be there on the double.
If you're feeling blue, I'm the 1, 2, 3 for you. You can count on me.
I bet the Giants never thought we'd use their present to get me out of a tree.
We owe them a big thank you.
More like a giant thank you.
Yeah, like thank you, Giant!
We really like the gifts.
You're welcome.
We're splashing in the bathroom.
In the tub,
At the sink.
on the floor. Splashing, splashing, splashing some more. Welcome to the bathroom. 'Tis I, Peg the Bold, and Brave Sir Cat.
And we're gonna slay the dragon.
Not slay the dragon, silly. Play with the dragon. The dragon loves spears like these. We have to toss them into his mouth in size order, from biggest to smallest. Ready?
I was born ready.
First biggest, second biggest, third biggest, and fourth biggest. That's the smallest. Oh no! The dragon got the hiccups. Duck!
What are you two up to in there?
Trying to catch spears from a hiccuping dragon.
Okay.
Help us catch more crazy shapes. Go to our totally rocking website at pbskids.org. Till then, we're Peg and Cat. Splashing some more. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Peg plus cat. Peg plus cat. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, come on, let's go. 4, 5, 6. Hey, what do you know? 7, 8, 9. Oh, what comes next?
10.
You're the winner. We are two. Na 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 na. Me plus you. Na 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 na. We're Peg plus
Cat.
Peg plus
Cat.
Peg plus Peg plus cat.
Another tree problem? One wasn't enough? Talk!
It's a beautiful day, and everything is exactly where it belongs. The fish are in the pond, my marbles in my hat, and Cat's up in the tree. Cat's up in the tree? Again? How do you keep doing this?
Shh. I'll explain later. But please don't tell anyone. It's getting embarrassing.
Okay, so Cat's stuck up in the tree again, and that means we've got a big problem!
Can't we do the same thing we did last time?
Cat's right! The last time Cat got stuck in the tree, we got him down by using a kaleidoscope, a box, and a coloring book. He slid down the kaleidoscope, then he slid down the book.
That was fun.
We know how to get Cat down from the tree. And so, problem solved.
The problem is solved. We solved the problem. Problem solved.
Okay, Cat, I'll get everything from the garage, and you stay here. I guess you don't have a choice since you're stuck in a tree.
Do you have to keep bringing that up?
Cat stuck in a tree?
Not so loud. Ooh, different heights. First tallest, second, third, fourth.
Almost at my garage, where all the stuff we need is waiting. Did I just hear
Arr!
the pirates?
The book, it's floating.
The scope, it's a rowing.
And the box, it's...
Sitting there not doing anything at all.
Aye!
He's good at doing nothing.
What a boat!
I like our old boat better, Doc.
The box, the book, and the kaleidoscope? But those are the things we need to get Cat out of the tree.
Ahoy there, Peg.
We borrowed your things.
From your garage. Without asking.
But pirates, I need those things.
The winds are blowing.
Waters a flowing. We're a going. junk!
We left it in your garage without asking.
I don't need a boat. I need to get Cat out of the tree. And now I don't have any way to get him down. I've got a really big problem. I better go tell Cat. Psst, Cat.
Did you get everything?
Well, not exactly. I was going to get all this stuff, but the pirates were like, "Arr," and they were using our things for a boat, and I was like, "Come back!" And they were like, "We can't." And then they sailed away and left their boat in our garage.
I knew that would happen.
I guess we won't be able to use those things to get you down.
Then I'm stuck in a tree.
Well, yes, but just because we don't have those things we used last time, it doesn't mean we can't get you down. There's always more than one way to solve a problem.
Really?
Yeah, allow me to demonstrate. If you're about to cross the Great Divide and your bridge falls in the bay, you can make it to the other side, but you'll need a different way. You can wave your hands up in the air and hail a passing boat. You don't need a bridge to take you there, 'cause it's much more fun to float. There's more than one way to solve a problem.
There's more than one way to solve a problem.
You can fly across the water in a big hot air balloon.
Or hop along some turtle shells floating in the lagoon.
You can grab onto a dangling rope and swing yourself across.
Or climb aboard a catapult and give yourself a toss. There's more than one way to solve a problem. There's more than one way to solve a problem.
We just need a different way to get you down from the tree. Hey, I know. Maybe we could use the trunk full of junk on the pirate's boat.
The what?
You'll see.
A cat stuck in a tree, everybody. Check it out.
You've never seen a cat that got stuck in a tree before.
Not twice.
Wind chimes. First tallest, second, third, fourth.
I just love junk. Junkyards, junk mail. I wonder if there's any junk food in here. A scar? Let's see. A barrel, a spring, a plank, a fishing rod, and a bowling ball. I could use this stuff to make a cool contraption that'll get Cat down. To the tree! I sure wish Cat were here now. He'd do something really funny, like not watch where he's going and smash into something. Whoa! Yeah! My junk is totally trashed.
Peg?
Ramon? Hey! What are you doing here?
I saw you swinging around, and I thought I'd come up to see what you're up to.
You know, hanging in there. Could you, help me down from here?
Sure, just hang on a sec.
So you're working at the circus today?
Aren't these giraffes cool? They're the tallest animals in the circus.
They are tall. Almost as tall as a tree.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Ramon, do you think I could maybe borrow those giraffes for a little while?
Borrow them? What for?
Well, I can't really say, because I kind of promised they wouldn't, but it's totally not because Cat's stuck in the tree. Again. It's just this other thing that's not that.
Well, if you take care of the giraffes, I can go floss the tiger's teeth.
Thanks, Ramon.
I do what I can.
Great news, Cat. I brought giraffes. And if one of them is tall enough, you can slide right down his neck. To the tree, giraffes.
I can't reach.
This giraffe is still snacking. Maybe he's tall enough. Excuse me, Mr. Giraffe. Would you mind standing up straight?
Edison!
That giraffe is the perfect height. Hop on, Cat.
Whoa! I'm king of the giraffes!
Slide down.
Oh, this fur's too thick.
Maybe jump onto the next giraffe?
It's too far.
Cat's right. The second giraffe is a lot shorter than the first one.
Oh! He doesn't like me up here!
I need to get Cat off the giraffe's head quick. Otherwise, Cat will be a hat, or he'll fall off and go splat. And I'm not okay with that. I am totally freaking out. Cat's right. I should count backwards from 5 to calm down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A cat stuck on a giraffe?
That's 8, you genius bird.
Why is he a genius?
Because if I put the giraffes in height order, like those wind chimes, then you could climb down one giraffe at a time.
Let's do it. And fast.
Cat's on top of the tallest giraffe. Which giraffe is the next tallest? This one. He's the second tallest giraffe. Which giraffe goes next? Yeah, this guy. He's the third tallest giraffe. That means this little giraffe is the fourth tallest. In other words, the shortest. Okay, Cat, the giraffes are all in order. Now hop to it.
I'm a hoppin'.
Because we knew how to put things in height order, we're totally getting Cat out of the tree.
Yeah, math really saved myself.
One more jump out and do it.
Whoa!
Give me a hug, you adorable blob. We got Cat out of the tree, and in a different way than the last time we got Cat out of the tree.
Because, in case any of you folks at home missed it, this was the second time Cat's gotten stuck in a tree.
Can you believe it?
Well, you're back now, Cat, and that means problem solved.
The problem is solved. We solved the problem.
So everything is awesome.
Problem solved.
So, how did you get stuck in the tree in the first place?
Well, it all started when I was strolling through the grass, and what did I see? A big red apple hanging from a tree. I thought to myself, that sure looks yummy. I'd like to put that in my tummy. I was getting hungry, so what did I do? I tried to reach the apple from atop an old canoe. I jumped higher, you see. But that old canoe wasn't tied to the bay, so that old canoe started floating away. I was heading downstream when suddenly, bingo, I saw the pink head of a feathery flamingo. I jumped higher.
Squawk, squawk.
The flamingo tossed and turned, he was shaking with force, and then he flung me to the saddle of a horse. Yippee-ki-yay, yippee-ki-yay. I wanna eat that apple 'cause it looks yummy. Now the horsey wasn't dancing and shaking his hoof, so I leapt even higher to the top of the roof. Now the apple was close, it was in my line of sight, but I couldn't quite reach it, so I jumped onto a kite. Even higher, you see. Well, after something happened, something frightening. My kite got struck with a bolt of lightning. I was flying through the air, wild and free. And that's how I found myself on top of a tree. I flew higher, you see.
Okay, so let me get this straight. First the canoe, and second the flamingo. Third was the horse who liked to sing low. Fourth was the roof, and fifth was the kite.
That's how I got into the tree, all right. But there's one more thing. It's the saddest part to tell. As I reached for the apple, it fell. I was stuck up in a tree with all my efforts wasted. All for an apple that I never even tasted.
Hey, that reminds me. Earlier an apple fell on my hat, and I said I'd better save this for my old pal Cat.
Earlier an apple fell on your hat, and you said I better save it for my old pal Cat.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
Remember when you were on that giraffe's head?
Oh yeah, he did not like that.
I guess you really put him in a tight spot. Get it? 'Cause he's got spots? Getting you down from there was one tall order. Yep, you really were a pain in his neck.
I was a pain in his neck.
A pain in his neck.